Finally got the update after how many weeks? We have Disney Plus now. Netflix was always there. YouTube, Twitch. I don't know if that's new or not, but just upgraded the software this morning. It finally popped up. Let's see if we have the beta autopilot option. Let's see. I don't see the beta button, so I think we're still missing that. Unless it's somewhere else. Huh, weird. I thought we would have the option to opt in for the beta program, but I don't see it here. Unless it's located somewhere else. Nope. It's not available yet. But we have the latest update with Disney Plus, so hoping we have the beta button soon here. But it's getting hot. Let me look anywhere else. Driving. Supposed to be in the autopilot feature. Maybe it's another update we have to wait for. Alright, well, according to the video, hopefully it shows up. A quick tire rotation. Get the car up. Seen to do this on YouTube. If you get it high enough, you can rotate both tires. I think they do this the same way when Tesla comes out to do it for you. They basically take care of it the same way, so wish me luck. Hopefully nothing happens. Tires are off. I just gotta move the front to back, back to front. I know there's other ways you can rotate the tires, but I'm just doing it front to back because this is tiring. All right, here we go. I got one side done. Now just finishing up this other side here. Already swapped the front tire. Ran into some issues that weren't related to the rotation. I would have been done sooner, but I had to finish this. All right, finishing up the tire rotation on the left side. Ran into some issues on the right side, not related to rotating the tires, but taking off the brake calipers. So we got that taken care of. Now we are on the home stretch. Hopefully everything is good. If you guys need to lift your car up, make sure you have those tire pucks, or those pucks, I don't know what they're called, but they're called pucks, to put in that little hole down there so you can lift the car up. So if you want to save yourself 120 bucks, you can rotate your own tires. Here are the pucks that you need to jack up the car. This is the safest way to jack it up. You get 4. You can buy them on Amazon. I think about $20 or something. I've used them a lot lately. They actually they're great to have, especially if you doing your own tire rotations. They definitely come in handy. Also have this torque wrench. I think you're supposed to torque it to 125 to 130 pounds. Got this from Harbor Freight. Used it plenty of times so far. Taking off the tire, putting it back on, so definitely good to have.